I grated the frozen chicken and the result is amazing. Let's start today's recipe using a frozen chicken breast. To facilitate the preparation, we will grate the whole chicken. I'm sure you will be surprised with this recipe. Once you are at this point, we will put in another container and then add 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of fine herbs, and finally also an egg. Now we will mix well and then add also half cup of mozzarella to mix again. And before I forget, tell me which city is watching us to send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Cheryl McCormick from the UK. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now we will add olive oil in a pan and then spread everything very well with a culinary brush. I'm sure this recipe will become routine in your home. Let's add all the mixture we prepared earlier and spread throughout the pan. Whenever I make this recipe in my house, there is nothing so good that it stays. Now let's bake at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. After this time, we will also add tomato sauce over the entire recipe. The amount is your choice. I'm sure you and your family will love it. Now we will also add mozzarella cheese. I'm using a lot because I really like cheese. If you prefer, you can even use another type of cheese. We will also use a sliced tomato. Next, I will also add half-cut green bell pepper, olives cut to taste, onion cut into slices to taste, and to finish also a little oregano to give a special touch. Now let's take our recipe back to the oven at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for another 10 minutes. And our recipe was ready. Look how delicious it was. I'm sure you've never prepared a pizza this way, and you'll be amazed at the taste. It looks really amazing. Come back here and tell me what you think of this recipe. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.